Welcome to my kitchen. I am Miss Malet. Today I'm gonna show you how how to clean and seasoning your fish. Okay, first we're gonna take the excess unwanted parts, which is the tail, and we're gonna scrape it. Okay, so you're gonna add some cold water just to get everything that you're trying to get off to stay in the water. You're gonna scrape it. Okay, we scraped everything as they pre-scraped it already. They take most everything out. And now we're gonna cut the extra unwanted skins. Okay, and that's actually the mouth of the hang mouth. I don't know what you call it, but we always remove that. Since I was a kid, I always see my mom removed it. And also inside, that's pretty much the what you call I think is the tongue of the fish, but that's where the fish whatever the fish eat goes through there. So that's the mouth. We remove that extra part. Even though we're not gonna use the head, we still have to take that out. Okay. I see all this stuff is stuff that we don't need in the fish. You gotta make sure you take everything out. As you can see in the fish, they already cut all the wings, the what you call the fins of the fish. Okay, inside there's one almost like the same as the chicken. There's another skin that inside the fish. We will make sure we remove that. And then the middle of it, as you saw, I took out was what you call the breast. It's really different to explain. Okay, so now that we're done with the fish, and now we're gonna wash it with lime and lemon. Okay, I'm just squeezing the juice out of the lemons because we're gonna need that for the fish later. All right, so we're gonna rub the fish with the lime and the lemon. So the reason why I cut it like that is because I want the spice and the acidic, the lime juice, everything to get in the fish, the meat. Okay, so you're gonna take the lime and rub inside and out. You cut everything that you don't take. You take everything out. So you're gonna sprinkle a little salt and vinegar after you done wash it. You're gonna put a little salt and vinegar, and you're gonna let it sit for a minute. Okay, now that we done add the salt and the vinegar and the more lime, of course your fish need, the more lime you can rub on your fish, the better it is, because at the end of the day, the taste and the flavor is what's matter. Okay, just looking for the extra stuff. Of course, while it's in the vinegar and the lime juice, the salt, you want to make sure everything is in there. So yeah, you just add more lime. Just clean it with more lime and vinegar. Okay, you're gonna rinse the fish up. Rinse it. I'm very picky when it comes to clean fish, so that's why I don't eat fish out. Alright, so now we're gonna season our fish. Okay, that's the lime juice we add to it, and I'm gonna add my special blend spice, which I have a video of on my channel. You guys go check that out. And this spice have everything you need. Okay, you don't need to add anything else. The only little thing I'm gonna add is paprika and cayenne pepper, just for a little color and a little the spice, not too much. Okay, you're gonna rub the spice on it. Of course, it's your preference, whatever you want, guys. It's what you like, but this is what I like to do to my fish. All right, so now that we're done rubbing everything on the fish, and now I'm gonna gather some stuff to add inside of it for more flavor, because I'm going to bake this fish. Okay, so we have green onions, hot pepper, jalapeno, thyme, and we're gonna add all that inside of the fish for flavor. Don't forget the ginger and the garlic. And the reason why I add the whole pepper and the jalapeno is because I don't want it to be too spicy. But if you like your fish spicy, you can cut them. But I didn't want it to be too spicy for the kids to eat, so I leave it whole, and I'm adding the ginger now and the garlic inside of it. Of course, everything is good with garlic. All right, I have everything on the description for you guys down below, but like I said, it's whatever you want, your preference. Okay, that's my version of it, and that's how I clean my fish. Okay. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Don't that look good? That looks so good. Yeah.